ढमढ्ढमन्निनादमड्ढमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु न शिव शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्जरी विलोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टभावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रदक्षिणम् शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय सहस्रलोचन प्रभृत्य शेषलेखशेखर प्रसूलधूलितोरणि विदूसराङ्घ्रिपीठम् भुजङ्गराजमालया निबद्धजाटजूटक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोरबन्धुशेखर ललाटजल्परज्वलद्धनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्गभाविगीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमानशेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटा नमस्कुता करालभालभट्टिका दगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जयाहुतीकृत प्रचण्ड पञ्चसायके हराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्रपत्रकार कल्पनैकशिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्मम नवीनमेघमण्डली निरुद्धदुर्गरस्फुरद्गूनिशीतिनी तमप्रबन्धबद्धकन्दर निलिम्बनिर्झरीधरस्तनोतु कृत्तिसिन्धुर कलानिधानबन्धुर श्रियं जगद्गुरन्दर प्रफुल्लनीलपङ्कज प्रपञ्चकारिमप्रभावलं विकण्टकन्दली रुचिप्रबद्धकन्दरं स्मरच्चिदं पुरच्चिदं भवच्चिदं मखच्चिदं गजच्चिदान्धकच्चिदं तमन्तकच्चिदं भजे अखर्व सर्वमङ्गला कलाकदम्बमञ्जरी रसप्रवाहमाधुरी विजृम्भणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे प्रवद्भुजङ्गमश्वस विनिर्गमत्क्रमस्फुरत्करालभालव्यवामितिमितिमित्वनं मृदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गल परिक्रम प्रवर्तित प्रचण्डताण्डव शिव त्रिशक्तिचक्रकल्पयोर्भुजङ्गमौक्तिकस्रजोगरिष्ठरत्नलोष्टयोः सुहृद्विपक्षपक्षयोर्नारविन्दचक्षुषो प्रजामहि महेन्द्रयो समप्रवृत्तिवक्कदा सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यहम् शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय सहस्रलोचन प्रभृत्य शेषलेखशेखर प्रसूलधूलितोरणि विदूसराङ्घ्रिपीठं भुजङ्गराजमालया निबद्धजाटजूटक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोरबन्धुशेखर ललाटजल्परज्वलद्धनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्गभावितीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्बनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमानशेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटानमस्कुता करालभालभट्टिका दगद्दगद्दगज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जयाहुतीकृत प्रचण्ड पञ्चसायके हराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्रपत्रकार कल्पनैकशिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्मम नवीनमेघमण्डली निरुद्धदुर्गरस्फुरद्गूनिशीतिनी तमप्रबन्धबद्धकन्दर निलिम्बनिर्झरीधरस्तनोतु कृत्तिसिन्धुर कलानिधानबन्धुर श्रियं जगद्गुरन्दर प्रफुल्लनीलपङ्कज प्रपञ्चकारिमप्रभावलम्बिकण्टकन्दली रुचिप्रबद्धकन्दरं स्मरच्चिदं पुरच्चिदं भवच्चिदं मखच्चिदं गजच्चिदान्धकच्चिदं तमन्तकच्चिदं भजे अखर्व सर्वमङ्गला कला कदम्बमञ्जरी रसप्रवाहमाधुरि विजृम्भणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मखान्तकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे। व्यभामितिमितिमित्वनमृदङ्गतुङ्गमङ्गल परिक्रम प्रवर्तित प्रचण्ड ताण्डव शिव त्रिशद्विचक्रकल्पयोर्भुजङ्गमौक्तिकस्रजोगरिष्ठरत्नलोष्टयोः सुहृद्विपक्षपक्षयोः धरारविन्दचक्षुषो प्रजामहि महेन्द्रयोः समप्रवृत्तिवक्कदा सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम्। शिवेति मन्त्रमुच्चरन् कदा सुखी भवाम्यहम्। इमं हि नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं स्तवं पठन् स्मरन् भ्रुवन्धरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनम्।
Good evening, everyone. If you can get confirmation that you can hear us, and see us, so we can start our program. If you are online, say hello so we can know who is there online with us today. Hope you are having a good day today. Can we please get a confirmation if you can hear us and see us? Rajesh ji says yes. Skanda says good evening. Yes, thank you very much Rajesh ji for confirming. Welcome to the evening session. As usual, we have brought you a beautiful session for this evening. Today we are going to learn mindfulness, how to bring mindfulness in our day-to-day activity, as well as we will also do our normal kriya and 3 types of pranayam along with the mindfulness meditation. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's meditation, which is chanting meditation, and today we will also learn mindfulness meditation, basically explaining what meditation is in simple term, that meditation is not just a process to sit in a silence with eyes closed. In fact, meditation is the act in which we can bring our mind to this present moment and train our mind to be in present moment. So no matter what we do, if we can bring that awareness into our actions, to bring that into present moment, that everything can be called as meditation. So simple like eating. When you are eating with mindfulness, you are feeling all the taste, you are feeling going through your throat into your stomach, you are drinking water with feeling, not just drinking like this, but a one sip you are feeling it. That process also called meditation. Anything, you just sit and feel your clothes, that's also called meditation and called mindfulness, bringing mindfulness into that in every action. Usually we are doing thousands of action by just doing it as a means to end. There is no feel into that. So I am doing something and then I am thinking. Right now I am taking session with you. Now imagine what will happen. I am talking to you and I am thinking also. I won't be able to give my 100% because my body will be with you, but mind will be somewhere else. So we have developed this sickness where that any time of our day, our body is here, but mind is never here. Mind is always in future or in past, never here 100%. So mindfulness is basically bringing all our awareness to this present moment in which we can live, and that comes with the practice. When we were children, we used to be in present because our mind was not developed. So you can imagine, that's why everyone wants to become a child. The only reason being the life in childhood was beautiful. The world is being same. The world has not changed. This mind has changed. So our exposure to the world has been always same. There is no change in the external world. Only in our perception the changes came and some deformities came because mind becomes suddenly active, going into past and future, less in present. So we can't see things, beautiful things happening in present. We are crowded with our thoughts. There is a unseen curtain on our eyes, that grey curtain of thoughts, unconscious thought. It does not let us see the beauty of present moment. It does not let us see the things happening in the present moment. When we start relearning all those things, we again become like a child. We again see the beauty of the day. We again see the beauty of nature. We again see the beauty of present moment. And all our kriyas, all our sessions are designed in that way, that we relearn again to be in the presence. Most of the addictions, most of the things people do, they all do to just come into that present moment because they don't have any other means to come into the present moment naturally, so they use substances to come into present moment. But again, when you use substances to come to present moment, next day is going to be more worse than the first day. That's why we learn naturally to come into present moment, and we ourselves can experience after the session. So thank you very much for joining once again. Let's start with our session. Sit back, relax. If you are joining first time today, just remember, create no resistance. There should not be any resistance. I know that being at home is not easy than being in center. So just accept if kids are giving you trouble or any noises, sound. Today is Friday, so maybe there is a loud music somewhere or something, because usually people live weekend to weekend. So this 1 day or 2 days all people live out of the whole week, whereas we learn to live every day. Now if there is any disturbance due to that, just accept it. We have our right to do what we are doing, same way they have their right to do what they have to do. So we create no resistance to that, and with a smile we accept everything. And also second thing, that we give 100%. Now when we are doing kriya, make sure that you feel all the action, like if you are turning head, you are turning hands, you are touching your face or touching your sides, you are stretching. Make sure you feel that. Also be aware that is there any thought going on, and if it is going on, what kind of thought it is. Does this thought belongs to past or future? Just register that, leave it, and again start feeling it again, and try to be in this present moment with mindfulness in whatever we do. Now sit back, relax, keep your eyes closed, take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. With next long deep breath in, we'll chant Am. Before I forget, tomorrow morning we'll meet on Zoom for morning yoga and warm up. We'll also do some Surya Namaskar. We have finished Surya Namaskar challenge, but still we'll do Surya Namaskar tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So on weekend we meet on Zoom, and we share our Zoom invitation on WhatsApp and on the Facebook. So you look for that link tomorrow morning. I will share that after this session, and we meet tomorrow 8 o'clock to do some yoga and Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. Alright, take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. We'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of the thoughts going in your head. Slowly turn your neck towards left as much as possible till it gets fully stretched. Feel the turning. Take your right hand onto your right cheek. Feel the touch, the cold, the warmth, and press your cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly remove. Now towards right, left hand, feel the touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand goes down. Feel the movement, feel the touch both on the forehead. Press it on the forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel the stretch again. If you know the Kriya, then you have to keep your eyes closed. Again left, as much as possible. Feel your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly remove hand. Towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly remove. Now front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly at the back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. One more time towards left. Make sure that full attention into this present moment, anchoring our mind with our body in this present moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly, hand going there. Towards right. Palm touching your cheek. 1, 2. Feel the touch, feel the heat, feel the cold. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, keeping eyes closed, touching chin to the chest, going 360 degree up like this. 180 degree, only half rotation, will not do 360. Again going back. Vishuddhi chakra, going up. Going down, again going up. Be in present, anchor your mind into present, train your mind to be in present. From today onwards, every action we do, whether we do eating, whether we do driving, whether we do sleeping, will bring the presence in our life. Will train our mind. To be in present. Because past and future, the thinking brings all the worries. Thinking brings all the unknown fears, which are not real. Now, both the hand on your knees, making 360 degree circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, Anahata Chakra, feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3. Push hard. 4. Give 100%. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we'll do Manipuraka Chakra, taking your forehead to your left knee, coming back, center, coming back, then right, coming back. Again going to left, coming back, then center, coming back, then right, coming back. Keep doing. Left, coming back, center, coming back, then right, coming back. Okay, full circle now. Left, center, right, go back, left, center, right. Slowly, slowly. Feel it. Feel the movement. Gentle smile on the face. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Now opposite. Try to find the silent gap in the sound. Opposite, keep doing. Very good. Keep doing. Very good. Now open your left leg, Swadhisthana Chakra. Then right leg onto the left leg. Press it to chest and then press it down. Press it to chest, then press it down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very good. Up, down, up, down. Very good. Now with opposite leg. Very good. Up, down, 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 up, down. Very good. Now one of my favorite, which is Shishupalasana. We used to have a lot of fun in our sessions when Shishupalana asana rocking baby pose is happening. You can see the expression on the people's face. 1, 2. This is very unfair that you all can see me, but I can't see your expressions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stretch where the stretch is happening. Mooladhara chakra, the last chakra, bottom chakra. Activating bottom chakra. Kiss your baby. Now opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep doing. It's not finished with the 10. Very good. Now kiss your baby. You long kiss. Very good. Now start with a butterfly pose. Namaste everyone. Namaste Aarti ji. Welcome everyone. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Go up as much as possible. Go down as much as possible. Go up as much as possible. Go down as much as possible. Go up as much as possible. Go down as much as possible. Up, down, 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 up. Very good. Relax. Now keep your legs like this so that you can get bit stretch. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Oh, very good. Alright. Now sit in relaxed position, back straight. We'll do pranayam. I don't know if you need break. If you want 1 minute break, you can just stretch, stand up and stretch your legs if you want to stretch your back. Because next half an hour we will be doing pranayams and meditation and bhajan. So just for 1 minute, I am not switching off the screen. Just for 1 minute if you want to stretch, I will be here. Just stretch little bit. If you want to walk 1 or 2 rounds, you can walk and come back and sit. I will wait for you. So that next half an hour then, there is no unpleasant sensation happening into your body. Those who are not walking, they can just sit, leg crossed, feeling the breath, feeling the touch of your clothes. Again, see small things. We are anchoring our mind to the present moment. Feel the touch of the mat. Feel the touch of the clothes. Become aware of breath coming in, going out, breath coming in, going out. We'll do counting pranayam first today. So in counting pranayam there are 4 stages. One is to take a breath slowly with the counting going up. Then once the breath is in the full lung stage, we hold for a couple of seconds and then we exhale with reverse counting, and when the whole exhalation is done, on the empty lungs we hold. So basically we are giving exercise to our lung. So the full lung hold and then empty lung hold. We will start doing. Slowly take breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. This is the full lung position. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Become aware of the silence. Become aware of your thoughts without judging, analyzing as a third person. Just become aware what is happening in my body, in my mind, without creating any aversion, without judging, without analyzing. Just pure consciousness, witnessing all the acts happening into this present moment. Just become observer to your own self. Observe a different sensation in different body part without creating any resistance, without judging or labeling. Just observe. Bhastrika Pranayam. Both the hand beside your shoulder. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Take your attention to your palm. Become aware of the sensation happening in your palm. Anchor your mind onto your palm. Learn this technique to bring your mind and body on to the present moment, into this present moment. The moment you keep doing that in every aspect of your life will become heaven. Same like childhood. Feel the sensation on your palm. Tingling sensation, blood flow sensation. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Take your attention onto your palm and become aware of all the sensation happening onto your palm. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out, 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 out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Anchor your mind into present moment, feeling sensation on your palm. Try to listen to silence. Become aware of everything happening around you. Become aware of different sensation onto your body. Kapalbhati, exhaling through stomach, 30 repetition, 1 per second. Start. Only exhale through nostril, don't open your mouth. Inhalation will happen automatically. Only exhale. Relax. Start again. Relax. Become aware of all the thoughts going in, coming out. Don't try to change them, just become aware. You should know what is going in your head. Without judging, comparing, analyzing, just becoming aware what is going on in my head, whether this thought belongs to past or present or future. Just acknowledge that and move on. One more time, last time, Kapalbhati, start. Relax. Become aware of the silence. Become aware of the sensation on your body. Feel the touch of air onto your face, onto your hand. Become aware of all the emotions going in your body. Become aware of all the thoughts going into your head. Without judging, analyzing, just becoming an observer. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Take your right thumb onto your right nostril. Close the right nostril. Breathe in from left nostril. Close the left nostril with a pinky finger and exhale through right nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Close again. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Alternate nostril breathing. Keep in and out. 3 fingers on forehead if you want. Do long and deep breathe in, deep breathe out, long and deep breathe in, deep breathe out, long and deep breathe in, 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 with alternate nostril going in, out. Breathe long and deep breathe in. Long and deep breathe out with alternate nostril. Take long and deep breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Sit in a relaxed position. If you want to dim the light, you can dim the light. If you want to sit on chair, sit on chair. If you want to sit on couch, sit on couch. No worries. Make sure just you are not lying down, keeping your back straight. And once you are into the relaxed position, make sure that you don't change. If you are wearing glasses, remove the glasses. We don't need glasses while doing meditation because our eyes will be closed. Create no resistance to any sound or to any unpleasant sensation. Keep your back straight, neck little bit tilted up. Natural attention at the entrance of your nostril. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर. Becoming aware of incoming breath, outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath. अपने नासिकाओं पर ध्यान रखें और हर एक आने जाने वाली सांस को जाने उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. Don't try to change it. Just become aware of breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Become aware the breath is going out, going out, going out. सांसों का छूना महसूस करें. When the breath goes in, touches the internal wall of your nose. Become aware of the air touching the internal wall. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostrils. Don't try to change it. If breath is coming from right nostril, just know that breath is coming from right nostril. Don't try to change it. If breath is coming from left nostril, just know that the breath is coming from left nostril. Don't try to change it. If breath is coming from both the nostrils, let it come from both the nostrils. Don't try to change it. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर लगा रहे और हर एक आती जाती सांस को जानते रहे. सांस अगर दाहिनी नाक से आता है तो दाहिनी नाक से आता है. सांस अगर बाई नाक से आता है तो बाई नाक से आता है. सांस अगर दोनों नाक से आता है तो दोनों नाक से आता है. उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. बस जानते रहे द ब्रेथ इज कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन, कमिंग इन. सांस लेना नहीं है, जो नेचुरल ब्रेथ आ रही है बस उसे जानना है. At the very small portion on your above lip, become aware of the touch of air coming in, going out. बस जानते रहे breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. बस यही जानना है. Now take your attention to your clothes. Clothes touching your body. Take attention to your shoulder and feel the touch of your clothes. Take attention to your chest and feel the touch of your clothes. Take attention to your tummy and feel the touch of clothes. Take attention to your back and feel the touch of cloth. Take the attention to the lower back, feel the touch of your clothes. Take attention to your hip and feel the touch of your mat. Feel the touch of floor. Take attention to your thighs. Feel the touch of the clothes on your thighs. Take attention to your soles. Feel the air touching the soles. Feel the cold or warm feeling on the soles. Take attention to your toes and become aware of the gap between your toes. Again, feeling the touch of your clothes on both the legs, coming up Become aware of your tummy movement, going in, out, going in, out. Become aware of the touch on your tummy, your clothes touching your tummy, chest, shoulder. Become aware of the clothes touching your back, lower back. Take your attention to your right palm. Feel your right hand from shoulder to palm. Feel the touch of clothes. Left shoulder to palm. Feel the touch of clothes. Anchor your mind into this present moment by feeling everything what is happening in this present moment. Take your attention to your left palm. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Now take your attention to the top of your head. The very round circle on top of your head. Become aware what is happening on my head. If it is cold, let it feel cold. If it is hot, let it feel hot. Don't try to change it. If it is scratchy, let it feel scratchy. Don't scratch your head. Respond to no sensation. Just become aware. Take your attention to your forehead. Scan your forehead for any kind of sensation. From right to left, left to right. Some of you might notice dryness. Some of you might notice wetness. Some of you might notice itchiness. Don't try to change it.